Hello everyone, welcome to Talk and Thrive. Today I have a simple and fun story for you. This story is made using A1 level English words, which means it's perfect for beginners who wants to learn English in an easy way. In this video, I'll show you the story line by line, and after that, I'll explain the meanings of important words in Bengali to help you understand better. So, are you ready? Let's begin. A day in the park. It's a sunny morning. Tom, a little boy, wakes up early. He brushes his teeth, takes a bath, and eats bread and egg for breakfast. Then he takes his bag and tells his mother, "I want to go to the park." His mother smiles and says, "Okay, but take your sister Lisa with you." Tom and Lisa walk to the park. The park is big and beautiful. There are many trees, flowers, and birds. Some children are playing. Some people are sitting on a bench and talking. Tom sees a small dog near the tree. "Look, Lisa, a dog," he says. "The dog is hungry." Lisa gives it some bread and the dog wags its tail happily. After some time, Tom and Lisa run and play with the ball. They feel happy. But soon the sky becomes dark. The wind starts to blow and rain begins to fall. "Oh no, it's raining. We must go home," says Lisa. They run fast and reach home wet but happy. Their mother gives them hot milk. They sit near the window and watch the rain. Lisa smiles and says, "This was a good day." Tom laughs and says, "Yes, let's come again tomorrow." And that was our story, A Day in the Park. Did you enjoy it? This story was made using only A1 level English words, so it's easy to read and understand. Now let's quickly go through some of the important words from the story. Sunny, Rodrojjol. Morning, Shokal. Boy, Chele. Early, Taratari. Brush, brush kora. Teeth, Daat. Bath, Snan. Bread, পাউরুটি, egg, ডিম, breakfast, সকালের খাবার, bag, ব্যাগ, mother, মা, sister, বোন, park, উদ্যান বা পার্ক, walk, হাঁটা, big, বড়, beautiful, সুন্দর, tree, গাছ, flower, ফুল, bird, পাখি, children, শিশুরা, playing, খেলা, people, মানুষ, bench, বসার আসন বা bench, talking, কথা বলা, small, ছোট, ডগ, কুকুর, হাংরি, ক্ষুধার্ত, টেল, লেজ, রান, দৌড়ানো, প্লে, খেলা, বল, বল, স্কাই, আকাশ, ডার্ক, অন্ধকার, উইন্ড, বাতাস, ব্লো, বয়ে যাওয়া, রেইন, বৃষ্টি, রেইনিং, বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, গো, যাওয়া, ওয়েট, ভিজে যাওয়া, হট, গরম, মিল্ক, দুধ, সিট, বসা, উইন্ডো, জানালা, ওয়াচ, দেখা, কুড, ভালো, কাম, আসা, টুমোরো, আগামীকাল, ওয়েক্স, নাড়ানো বা দুলানো. And that's all for today's story and word meanings. I hope you enjoyed this simple A1 level English story and learned some new words today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk and Thrive for more fun and easy English learning videos. Also let me know in the comments which new word you learned today. I love reading your responses. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.